everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into American Express account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log into your American Express account, first open up a web browser. In the URL box, type in www.americanexpress.com and press enter on your keyboard. American Express is a global payment company that primarily offers credit and charge cards to consumer and businesses. To log in and access your account, go and click on the login button at the top right and then enter your user ID followed by your password in the text boxes. Go ahead and enter your user ID associated with your account and make sure that you are typing it correct. And then on the next field, type in your correct password that you used while signing up for an online account. Once you are done filling in both of the credentials, click on this little drop down and select the area that you'd like to log in with. If you'd like the system to remember your credentials for you, check this Remember Me box, but leave it unchecked if you're using a public or a shared computer. If you are having trouble remembering your user ID or password, click on this link that says Forgot User ID or Password and follow the instructions. After filling in your user ID and password correct, you can click the login button, which will directly take you to the main home page for American Express. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.